Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
And I'm Chrissy.
And this is Journeys with Ken and Leanne and Chrissy!
Yeah, today we've got my granddaughter with us.
Wave, Chrissy. Hey, well, today was a big day for Holly Hill. Got the power in. Let me show you right up over here. Right there. That's the transformer. So we are good to go there with that. What do you think? Pretty exciting, huh?
Feel the power.
All right, the next scenes you're going to see are we got here a little bit after they dug the holes, so they're putting it together, and then a little bit of them filling back in the holes. And I'm going to get out of here because I am dying. I'm sweating so bad. It's so hot out here.
It is hot.
All right, I'll be right back with the clips. Started getting the power in, running that line here. They coming down, going all the way up and over the said they hit some rock on the top of the hill right up in here, but that was it. Okay, well, I'm gonna get in right here. Shoot. Looks good. Looks great. What do y'all call that box? What's that? You don't have to. As you can see, they filled the whole road in, and this is going to grow back over, but
Okay, so I was down here earlier today, and Rick, our contractor, was here along with Wayne and Clyde. And Rick says he can save about 100 feet on the water line by going down the right-hand side of this road. So we've got power now on your left side, and we'll have water. I'm sorry, I'm talking backwards because it's opposite for me on your right. So exciting stuff. Some more things happen down on the pad. We'll take you down and show you what it is. Okay, so when I got to the site today for a quick break, Rick was here. He's our contractor, and he was showing me what they've done. So Chrissy is currently standing on the footings that were poured yesterday, and so I was asking Rick what they're doing now, and you'll see these lines, these strings that they've put up, and that's where the walls will be built to. And so they're going to build these up, and then he says that the floor is actually going to be about 12 inches above that will be the base of the floor. So that's pretty exciting. It's going to be really higher on this side than it is on the other side, but it's going to make for a really cool view over the ridge back there. So I'm excited.
That porch is going to be higher up than she is.
I'm standing on the porch right now, only about 4 feet too short. Okay, Chrissy and I have moved over to the garage. Ken is standing like by where the breezeway will be, and my garage door going to the house, not the garage door itself, but the door from the garage going to through the breezeway to the house will be in this area. So another thing that Rick told us, hopefully won't add to our frustrations list, because you know this is just how you have to roll with things. His brick mason's running 2 or 3 weeks behind schedule. So he's doing fussing on that end for us. Glad to have him fighting for us. And so, but soon the brick will be delivered, and hopefully the brick mason will get caught up on his current job and be out here on Holly Hill.
All right, well, we got a lot done today. It's moving pretty quickly. Hopefully that brick mason will get freed up and get out here and get his butt in gear. And yeah.
They'll get the water tap in and Rick will run the water lines. So lots of great stuff going on. Be sure that you follow us on Facebook, Journeys with Ken and Leanne, so that you see the pictures that we post of what video may be coming up next. And how else do they get us, babe?
Head over to YouTube. If you're already there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you know when things come out. Hit us up on Instagram. It's all Journeys with Ken and Leanne. So until next time,
enjoy the journeys.